Today we're going to be making buffalo chicken dip. First off, you have to get the ingredients, which you can get a rotisserie chicken from your supermarket of choice, blue cheese crumbles, cream cheese, and of course Frank's red hot buffalo sauce. I'm going to preheat the oven so that way we don't waste no time to 425. Make sure nothing's inside. Good to go. Alright, so now begins the shredding process. First step of the shredding process is to take off all the main parts of the chicken, the breast, the wings, the thighs, etc. Then you put them up in one spot, and then you will begin shredding them piece by piece and putting them in another container. That we had removed the skin before proceeding with shredding, and now that you're done with shredding, you prepare the ingredients to be put on the stove. You're going to use a pot to heat up and put in the cream cheese for 2 to 3 minutes until it melts, and then we're going to add the buffalo sauce to that mix and then the chicken to that mix as well. Now that we've added the cream cheese to the pot, we're going to stir it until it melts into nice creamy solution. Maybe turn down the heat a bit, and now we're just going to keep stirring till it melts. We can measure out our Frank's red hot buffalo sauce, and we're going to add in 1 cup. We're going to add our red hot buffalo sauce to the mix. And we will continue to stir. Now mixing in the hot sauce with the cream cheese. Once the cream cheese is fully melted, we will be adding the chicken to this mix. Alright, now that the cream cheese has melted and you have added the buffalo sauce, we will now add in the chicken to the mix. And I used a whole chicken, but you could use half or more than that. A whole chicken or 2 if you want, depending on how much mix you're going to be making. So now that we added the chicken, we're going to stir in the chicken, make sure it gets covered by all that mix we just made. Then right now we will prepare our cooking sheet where we will be pouring the mix onto it. Now that you have poured out the mix into the cooking tray, we're going to add some blue cheese crumbles to the mix. And the mix you just spread out throughout the cooking pan so it can make a nice little layer right there. Then we will be putting the cooking tray in the mix into the oven for about 20 minutes. And then you start the countdown. Has gone by. We're gonna check in and see if it's ready. And yes, this is ready. It's a nice golden crisp. And there we have it. Buffalo chicken dip, which could be served in a sandwich with garlic bread, with chips, usually as a side with anything. Enjoy.